Gohan, he just has a mind of his own. Well, obviously all dogs do, but I mean, like, what I meant to say was he has an agenda of his own. And when we come to the dog park, he literally just does his own thing. Barely listens to me when I call for his name. He plays with the dogs for a little bit and then he's gone. I don't even know where he is right now. Luckily, this dog park is enclosed. Oh, there he is. What the fuck? Go on. What are you doing, dude? Like, so far from civilization. Oh, there's more dogs. I think that's where he's going to right now. I do have to be careful though, because Gohan's not neutered.
Our eyes wander the room when it gets quiet.
AJ, hello.
Searching for solutions in the silence. But I'm here.
Yo, you vlogging or something?
Oh yeah, of course.
I had to substitute my really cool, good quality Rode for this thing. Actually, it's okay, but this deity has this dual-sided thing where it's like, if you turn it on, you can actually use both sides, which gets too much, you know, sometimes.
It's so much better. Deity too, but mine doesn't do your thing.
Oh, you had the Rode.
Yeah. No.
Oh, crazy! You're like one of the only other people I've seen with a deity mic.
Yeah, it's because I didn't buy the Rode.
Couldn't afford.
I couldn't afford to talk about the deity.
Guys, we're gonna go for some bubble tea, or I'm just gonna show John around. He actually has to leave back to Toronto in a few hours. His
No, I'm
flight's
going to Vancouver.
Vancouver. Oh yeah, that's right. He's visiting Simon.
Yeah.
Oh, he was here doing some eventful things in Banff, but I can't really say anything about that. Anyways, we're taking Supra today. Yeah. Go home. I'm sorry, but what the heck? He getting ready. I gotta leave you, bro. We'll be back in a few, okay? Ow! Guys, I forgot how crazy this thing looked. Oh my goodness. It has so much more shine than the Kelly green. And the carbon on this Envy green, it's just perfect. All we're missing is a carbon hood. It's coming up when I can afford it. Also, what? It's snowing? Oh, yo, I was gonna do that. Thanks, John.
Right here? Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the heck? You good? I said thank you.
Your thing is broken.
I know. It's on the city to replace our wheel too, but.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh wow.
In the Supra.
Yeah, with that.
Oh, again.
Okay, I promised myself that I would just keep KMR merch in all my cars just in case like we got fans or supporters, and I just want to give them a freebie or something, you know, to remember the interaction by. And yeah, that's what these are for. Accessories, key tags, stickers, and air fresheners. And I'm gonna just keep these in here. Yeah, sorry dude.
All good.
It's for the kids, you know. All right. Bloop. The song was on GTA Vice City. Thank you very much. Yeah, bless. Have a great day, bro. You too, man. Oh, this too. What the hell? They playing all the classics. It's time, John.
Yes, it is time.
Guys, it actually turned out to be so nice outside. Like the portion we were in, there was a little bit of rain and then it became super dry all of a sudden. Over here, you can see that the ground is wet. So it rained over here, but I mean, now it's okay. Such is our city, man. It's like you just cross a quadrant and it's a completely different season. Anyways, we're here at Tokyo Street Market, just grabbing some grub. Oh, sweet, thank you. Perfect timing, oh my gosh. Can I one-hand this?
Nice. Oh.
So I'm currently testing out John's Sigma 14-24 mil. It has a little fisheye effect on it. So far so good. Like the autofocus, pretty decent. We'll only really get a better idea when we edit it. Okay, so I'm gonna take John to Bamboo now, which is where we got these waffle mochi mixtures. Like I've never had anything like these before in my life. It's basically waffle batter mixed with mochi batter, but you take a bite and it's waffle at first, and then you get the texture of mochi. It's weird to say the least, but also really delicious. Photo time. I don't know whose car this is. Bamboo. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yo, what's up, dude? How you doing?
I like heard something drive by and I was like, neon green car. I think that's what that's got to be.
Yeah, and I'm just bringing another Toronto friend here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tim. Nice to meet you, Tim. Yeah.
Yeah, Vietnamese coffee, bro.
Yeah.
And also, we're probably gonna grab a couple of those waffles. Yeah,
sounds
you
good.
know it, man.
Oh man.
So good.
Good daisy drive out. It was raining earlier so bad.
Dude, it's right now we've gone through all 4 seasons because up in the northwest it was a blizzard, a little bit of hail, and then it depends where you drive in the city.
Yeah.
It's like completely raining. It's like it's so weird right now outside.
It was like snowing a little bit, and then I was like, I opened it and I was just like, I hope it doesn't hail. I was like, my car is just parked in the back. I don't know if it hail.
Oh no. I know that's what I'm worried about. Thing about these vloggers, man.
I'm just trying to be you.
Dude, I like this lens a lot.
Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby.
Appreciate it.
Might look a little better. Okay.
For video's sake.
Appreciate
Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, so this is what they call pandan Mochi waffle. Cook this up with some condensed milk. Yeah, the beautiful thing about this is once you take a bite, you'll see that it's part mochi.
Let me record you.
Oh my gosh.
It's a regular waffle, not the bubble waffle.
No, so these ones are pandan waffles. So think of almost like the chewy type of mochi waffle. And then pandan is its own type of flavor.
Just dip it.
The best way my man used to explain it is it's like really.
The transported to a new realm, man. Okay, go try. Delicious. Cool. Let's say hi to the camera. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, you guys enjoy your drinks? You too. Say hi to Francine for me, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, see you guys. Just a couple of car freebies.
Oh man, this is sick. I'm gonna put this in my car after this.
Sweet, man. Yeah, Tim, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank
Appreciate you.
Did you guys want another waffle if you guys are going out?
Oh, sure, man. This kid. Appreciate it. It's the batter, bro. Like, whatever that is. Go jam. Give me my shoe, please. Please. I'll give you a treat. I'll trade you. Come on, man, please. Go. Snowing again. My God. Been through all the seasons today. Like it gets nice, and then it snows, and then it rains a little bit, and then it gets nice again, and then the clouds disappear. What the heck are you doing? Changing the ring. He's the baby of the world. Look at the baby of the world.
I want her to notice.
The hell, man? Going up. It's good on this side. It's up.
I think that might have been the woods.
Oh, maybe. I hope.
Because they were.
Oh my God.
Is that your suspension?
No, that's the kit. It's just for an oil change.
I think you're okay.
Okay, F it. Alright friends, quickly stop by the garage. I'm gonna show you guys how to do an oil change on a 2020 Toyota Supra. Or any Mark V for that matter. So earlier today, went by Lexus, visited my friend Eddie to pick up some Liqui-Moly oil. This is 0W20, and this is what they recommend for a stock B58 engine. And the Supra itself can handle about 6.97 liters. So I bought myself 7 1-liter bottles. So an oil change on a Supra should only really take you about 20 minutes. Pretty basic, and they've made it really simple for people who want to do this stuff at home. Save themselves a few bucks. Woo! Maybe we'll let it cool down a bit. Don't want to be handling hot oil.
Will drain out faster if it's hot.
That's true. Better do it warm, not hot. But it's better to do it while it's still... Is viscous the word? Viscous? All right, yeah, first what you want to do, just take off the engine cover. and it is connected at 4 points, these ball joints. Super simple. Ah, motherfucker. That's actually really still hot. Everything's still hot. I'm a chill.
Stay cool, bird boy.
So you want to start by lifting your car to a comfortable height. Loosen up the cap. Sheesh, man, it's so far. Almost to the footwell. I'm gonna lift the car up a little bit more. I don't care about the kit. I mean, the kit I love, but it's okay. This'll be okay, man. All right, so once you're underneath here, there is this little cap that you just kind of twist off. I think lefty loosey. Yes. And that will reveal the 17mm oil drain plug bolt, or whatever you guys call this thing. Yeah, 17 mil. And of course, you're gonna want your oil drain bucket, drain pan. I don't know my terminologies. All right. Perfect. This is the oil filter kit that I got from Toyota in cooperation with BMW.
It's a bit different of a process compared to, say, replacing a Subaru filter. Sometimes this one comes out in two, and I'll show you what I mean when we take out the OEM filter. The filter kit also comes with 2 O-ring gaskets and a rubber gasket, both which will be replaced.
All right, well, I'm gonna just loosen this, but I'm gonna grab gloves. Hot, bro. Here we go, boys. That hurts. You guys want to make sure it's at least lukewarm, and I don't want to lose the bolt, that's why. I'm gonna hold the drain there, and then I'm gonna pull like a kid's tooth. Oh, okay, yeah, no, that's fucking splashing everywhere, man. Yeah, I got it in my mouth. Whoopsies! Let that thing drain for a bit. Damn, yo, that drained way quick. Really, really warm. Just comes out like it's the same viscosity as piss. Like piss, a lot of overspray. That's the stuff that your parents have to clean off of the shower curtain. It's kind of gross if you think about it. But you guys don't see it because you don't go through the effort, I know it. Then, this is the brass ring that you are supposed to be replacing. I haven't actually done an oil change on this ever since I got it. Dude, the oil service, oil change error message has been on since September 2021. So just a few months, but still. I mean, I don't drive it enough, so.
I mean, just a few months. We're in summer now. It's supposed to be here.
That's bad. Replace this. Next, we're going to be replacing the filter. And that guy's just kind of hidden in here. It's a little bit harder for you guys to get into this space, but it is doable without having to remove anything. I'll just show you guys with the light. That guy right there. Get a wrench to loosen that up. Fun fact, when Eddie was helping me fill the empty bottles of oil with the used oil, we only filled up 5, which means typically burn about 2 bottles of oil. Oh, whoa, those are the big guns. Holy.
I didn't know we had
They exist.
the big guns here.
Neither did I. 32. All right. Look at that thing. Woo. Nice. I'll also put some paper towel down there just in case you guys can kind of see it. Ooh, there we go. Hey, it's not even dripping. That's cool. And it came out in one piece. line it up with. That's how this scratches. Wait! Ooh. Give it a little. Thanks, man. Alright, now to show you guys how we reset that error message for your oil. You know what, we'll do that when the car's down. Thanks, Ed. Notice that, yikes. Oh well, and that's side 2. Oh, there's no bolts even there, what the? Some of the sides here is missing bolts. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you get rid of this error message. So to get into diagnostics mode, all you have to do is press the start stop engine button 3 times really fast, and then wait about 10-15 seconds. Diagnostic mode active. And then next, there is a button over here to the left. You just wanna press and hold that down. And then from there, you can actually go through all of these messages telling you a rational time to actually get it checked. We want to get rid of this. So all you have to do is once you're on the engine oil, hold and press that again. And then I'll ask you if you want to reset and just hold and press that one more time. Reset in progress. Should be good. There it is, reset successful. Our oil error message is gone. And we have brand new oil. So I feel like the Supra is gonna be a little happier for sure. Again, service overdue. Awesome, easy enough, Eddie. Appreciate the help, man. I'm gonna go test this thing out. Woo!